If there's one thing I can't stand, it's theft. Even if it's digital theft, it still drives me nuts. So today I want to try and keep this short and simple, but I want to explain to you the digital theft that we were dealing with and why I was actually going to let it go, which might sound strange, but hear me out. So just over a month ago, I was working on a project, going to do a video with Joshua from RV Gear and Fire. Great guy. But he messaged me and said, hey, is this you on TikTok? And so evidently what was happening is somebody was stealing my videos, re-editing them and putting them up on TikTok as their own. I know these kind of things happen all the time, but it's frustrating when somebody is stealing the stuff that you have made. So I told him, no, that wasn't me. I don't even have a TikTok account. It's not something that I usually use, but I was surprised that they had thousands of followers on there. So I made an account and then I reported it. And the funny thing that happened was my account got deleted and his continued on, which was just, it was kind of funny. And then I was just gonna let it go because I thought, why did I start putting videos on here to share with you? And the main reason in order to put these videos on here is to help share the information that I learn about RVing from our experience, share that with you so that you can enjoy RVing even more. I had a text from a friend that we've traveled with, and he said after them being stationary for a little bit and then getting back to traveling, he said it's been awesome. Traveling is really our best mode as a family. It's like they're the best version of themselves when they're out enjoying things while traveling. And that's really why I put things on here, because I want other people, other families to get out there and enjoy RVing, enjoy that time together. And that's really at the heart of why I share these things with you. That's why I have no problem saying that Joshua's channel, RV Gear and Fire, is a great channel. You should check it out. There's good information on there. Where RV tips and travels. Ross has great stuff over there, great information that helps a lot of RVers. And that's the goal. It's not a competition between other people producing videos and helping RVers out. It's all about helping the RVing community to enjoy RVing even more. So I thought, why not even just leave those videos on there? I don't really care to make a TikTok channel. But then TikTok ended up reviewing it and they ended up deleting that channel. Mine was still deleted. So I just started one and started putting videos on there. So if TikTok is something that you enjoy, I've created a channel there, started uploading videos to it today, so that way you can get some quick tips in there. So if you don't have TikTok, I'm not saying that you should get TikTok. All the information is gonna be right here. They're basically gonna be short little edited versions to get quick tips on there if you're not on YouTube. So as always, all the information is gonna be right here on YouTube. You don't have to go a bunch of different places, but if you do have TikTok, link will be down in the description so that you can check that out. And the reason why I started one is because now it looks like I had a channel over there that got banned. So there was kind of a little bit of a void there. So why not take the stuff that I have here, edit it down into quick little tips and put them on over there. So anyways, like I said, I want to keep this simple and quick. The content on here is getting stolen. We now have another place to get quick tips, but all the information is still going to be here in YouTube. So anyways, I hope you're out there enjoying your RV, and I hope that I can try and make that even just a little bit better. So as always, if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you next video. Take care.